recently just got the Love You So Mochi collection. In this PR kit, I got the Sleek and Chic eyeshadow palette, the highlighter palette, and 4 of the Powder Puff lippies. And because the highlighter set they gave me does not suit my skin tone, so I bought the other highlighter set, the Arcade Glam, which will suit my skin tone more. So this collection only just launched in Indonesia, believe it or not. Yeah, it takes forever for beauty products or anything to get approved here. Our bureaucracy sucks. Anyway, so in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do a really quick and simple glam look. So I've got my brows and face done. I'll show you how I look like without my face and brows done. Yeah, I look like a mess. That's me after I just woke up. So yeah, that's how I look without my face and brows. Now I have my face and brows done. I don't want to waste your time by repeating my foundation and brow tutorial over and over again because I'm sure you're sick of my mug. I know I am. Sometimes in the morning when I look in the mirror, I'm like, oh, you again. Dang, I'm so sick of looking at your face. If I have X-Men superpowers, I will totally choose Mystique's just so I can change my face every day because I get bored really easily. That must be why I like makeup and new face each day. Anyway, yeah, enough of my rambling. Let's get on with the tutorial. First, I'm applying primer so my makeup will last all night and then setting it with translucent powder. For this look, I'm applying falsies first. I'm grabbing the matte cream shade in the Sleek and Chic palette and applying it all over my lids, all the way up to my brows. Next, I'm grabbing the purple shade and with a fluffy blending brush, I'm applying it all over my lids following the shape of my false lashes, so the eyeshadow will nicely frame them when I open my eyes. I mentioned in my review that I struggled getting an even layer when I applied the Mochi formulas with a brush, and as you can see here, I struggled a bit with it. Grab the shimmery black shade and apply it to the outermost part of the purple eyeshadow and blend it inwards, going no further than half your eyes. Grab a clean, dense, fluffy blending brush and rub it over the edge of your eyeshadow to soften it. Now, grab this gorgeous gold here and with your fingers, dab it in the center of your eyes. Just, keep dabbing and dab. Yeah, just have fun with this. Anyway, grab this shimmery light brown and apply it on the inner corners of your eyes. And we're pretty much done here unless you want to do the next 2 optional steps, getting rid of the shimmer that's transferred to your lashes. Hooded monolid problems. I personally don't mind a shimmer since no one really sees it anyway, but I know it bugs some people, so if you want to get rid of it, just tightline your lashes with a liquid liner and use your liner to color in any shimmery bit. Yes, I went off camera for most of this, so sorry. Anyway, you can even use a pencil liner to further line the inner part of your lash line to make sure no shimmer shows up on your lashes. And that's pretty much it. Okay, I'm back. Eyes are done and now I'm going to do my face. First, the Lip Life palette, I thought it was too dark, but I'm gonna give it a try and I'll see if I can use it as a bronzer. So first I'm going to take this golden shade. So it's slightly translucent, so it's not like dark enough for me to contour my face with. So I guess I'll take out my Makeover Highlight and Contour palette and I'll use this shade to start contouring my face. because this is a glam look, I think I can afford to contour even more dramatically. So I'm going to take the darker shade over here. It's number 7 for me. So I'm not sure how much it's showing on camera, but in real life it's really dramatic. And I think I'm going to stop here because I rather have this look good in real life than on camera. So yeah. Anyway, oh my gosh, this hairband. So I saw this in Little Tokyo when I was shopping in LA, and I really like the headband. I think it's so cute. And my husband was going, babe, why do you need a Hello Kitty headband? You'll never use it. I'm like, oh yes, I will. I use it all the time for my videos. I'm going to use it, and that's why I have this Hello Kitty headband. It's made for girls, so it's too tight for me and it's giving me a headache. But I will never admit it to my husband because, you know, I refuse to admit I'm wrong. As far as he knows, this is the most awesome hairband ever. It's so comfortable and I look awesome in it. Yeah. For blush, I'll use number 3. Oh, and I accidentally smudged off my foundation when I was like messing around with my hairband. Oops. Oh well. I'll fix it later. So I'm going to use the same peach shade as bronzer, and I'm going to apply it kind of towards the back where the high points of my cheeks is, like closer to the back. So it's super dramatic now. And now I'm going to use the golden shade from Lit Life and just apply it in the front part of my cheeks. And also my forehead. And I'm going to go even more dramatic with the highlighter. I'm going to take the white shade here and I'm going to highlight my highlight. So just a tiny triangle here. No need to go so dramatic, just a tiny spot here. And a line here. And for the rest of my face, I'm going to stick with the gold again, not the white. What I'm going to highlight is first my chin over here. So for Asian faces, as you age, your chin will recede. So if you want to look younger, you make it pointy. Because when you're young, you still have some fat here, so it pops out a bit. So by highlighting it, you emphasize that pop and it makes you look younger. And also on my nose, just on the bridge. I don't really like contouring my nose that much because I feel like the emphasis on slim noses is slightly racist. But I do like highlighting my nose because when the light hits, it does hit my nose too, so it looks more natural. Because it's gonna look weird when the light hits, this shines, and this doesn't. So just nose, a bit more in the chin. And I like above my lips too. So glowy. Now for lips, I'm actually going to use 2 shades. So first is Cool Intentions. The second one is Pop Quiz. So I did a mini review in my stories yesterday because one of my followers asked about it. So I tried it out and I really like these lipsticks because they make making ombre lips so easy, and that's what I'm gonna do now. So the way I'm applying it is I'm dabbing it on my lips instead of like smearing it. So if you know the Korean like petal lips trend where your lips just look like the natural soft flush of a flower petal, the way you get it is just by dabbing this on your lips instead of smearing it. Just be patient and slowly dab it. Gives your lips a very powdery, soft flush. Now I'm using the darker shade, which is Pop Quiz. Whoa. Oops. So yes, dab it in the center of your lips and just purse it multiple times. Of a flower petal where, you know, there's a slow gradation from dark to light, from the inner part of the petal to the outside. So that's the kind of effect you're looking for here. And you may have to go back with Cool Intentions. You just smoothen it out the ombre. And there you have it. Thank you everyone for watching, and please feel free to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. See you. Bye.